All right, entertainment, so things that you do for fun. I've noticed that in a lot of my like check-ins with y'all and through conversations, I get a lot of video games, which is great. Do me a favor though, let's have three. Okay, include three things that you'd like to do for fun. What are three things you do for fun? Okay, so now it says it. So things I like to do for fun are, tell me three things. This could even be like going places. So, for example, if you like to go to like Schlitterbahn or like to do like water parks or what am I thinking? Like roller coasters. Okay, amusement parks. That's what they're called. Okay, sporting events, concerts, whatever. Like, what are some things that you like to do for fun? And again, this will get really cool to see like how your entertainment is compared to other people's entertainment in various forms of the world, but then also seeing like for example, if you do sports, what how those sports are tied to geography and weather. For example, if you live in Hawaii, surfing might be a really popular thing for entertainment, right? Because really close to the ocean and just the opportunity to surf, okay? You're not going to see a whole lot of people in Hawaii who like to go snowmobiling for fun, right? You're not going to see a whole lot of people in Houston, Texas that choose snowmobiling. However, if you look at people's entertainment in Russia or in other parts of the world, you might see snowboarding, you might see ice skating, you might see, right, more like winter activities because it's very cold there. So here, right, bringing it back to you, what are three things that you like to do for fun? And then please include pictures of those. Thanks.